Welcome back, everybody. Today we have got summer on the mind. The patio is calling, and what screams sunshine? A lemon spritz. So starting off, it's going to be a built-in glass cocktail. We're going to go ahead. We're going to add ice carefully to our wine glass here. Shoo thing. Okay. We're going to start off with 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a full ounce of limoncello. No, I did not make mine homemade. I'm too lazy for that crap. And then a full ounce of cucumber lemon gin. Okay. Now, as I always say, let your heart tell you when to stop with the Prosecco. We're going to top with Prosecco and then also just a little bit of soda water. My dogs are doing something weird in the background. Be quiet, everybody. There's that little bit of soda water, just to give it some extra little fizz. And then we're going to take our bar spoon, because you can see a lot of like the limoncello and the lemon juice is just sitting down there at the bottom. We want to make sure all of that is nicely incorporated. Et voila. Okay, she's beautiful. She's not finished. She needs her jewelry. So we're going to put it on your side, because otherwise if I put it on my side, that just looks stupid. We're going to put in a lemon slice right down on the side of the glass. Gorgeous. And then we have our lemon spritz, all ready for the patio and ready for some sunshine. Okay, we're going to change up the rating scale. I know, I'm throwing y'all for a loop. So in the past, I would rate out of 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. I'm going to change up my rating scale to essentially its drinkability, right? Excuse me. So it's still going to be on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being I would only have 1 drink if I went out and I had this somewhere. 5 being I could drink this all night, right? So I'm going to taste. We're going to rate on the new rating scale. Okay. It's very lemony for obvious reasons.
You don't say.
I know. I was. Y'all were expecting watermelon.
Raspberry.
Okay. We're going to taste again for science purposes. Okay. It's definitely very light. I'm a sweeter drinker, so this for me is just a little bit not sweet enough. So for me, on a drinkability scale of 1 being I would only have 1 drink. Oh, sorry, God, it's lemony.
Flavors. You taste the apple?
Do you taste the apple? No, I don't taste the apple. Okay, it's very lemon forward. You can still taste the Prosecco in there. But for obvious reasons, limoncello, it's very lemon forward, but it's not like overly lemony and it's not tart, if that makes any sense. It's definitely on the drier side thanks to the Prosecco. So again, without being interrupted, it's just rude. For me on a drinkability scale, I would say if I went out to a restaurant, had this, I would probably only have 1. Doesn't mean it's not a good cocktail. It's still very, very good. But for me, I tend to like my cocktails a little bit sweeter. So for me, this is just a little bit too dry. I will still drink all of it, don't get me wrong. But I do not think I would have a second one. So for me, it is a 1 out of 5. But let me know what you guys think. Try making it at home. Ingredients are going to be listed down below. And let me know what your rating scale is and if you would have a second one of the lemon spritz. And then don't forget, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then I will see you at the next pour. Cheers!